so I think we're good. Seems like it. I think everything's cool. Sweet. Right, I'm gonna mark out 9:30 open here. Drag this to here. I need to set a reminder. Not set a reminder, I need to, well, yeah, a reminder. Only take longs today. And I'll put that up here. Just so I don't confuse myself and later go for a random ass short that's not going to make any sense. So we've got sell side liquidity, 15 minutes sell side, fair value gap. We don't want MES, we want ES. December, yeah, December contract, cool. Mark out this low on ES. Sell side liquidity. And then we go to the 1 hour. And we put that there. Rise of equal highs. 15. Can mark out this fair value gap here. Cool. I've got the 5 minute, mark out 9:30, which is there. Mark out the 10:50, 9:10, 9:50. Sorry, not 9:10, and 10:10 macro. Reminder drop is here. Only take longs today. Bang. We go to the 1 hour quick. Back to the 15. That can come out to that here. Sweet. So let's mark out 830 high. Here's 830 highs. Top. News highs. And then we'll do the same with ES here, 830. What the hell? News highs. Fuck's sake, keep doing that. News highs. Bang. Cool. 6 minutes till 9:30 open. Fuck it, just keep it there. Where's this one? Here. Sweet. Let's look at DXY quick. What the fuck? Okay. Nope. That one. There we go. So tomorrow we've got news at 2 PM. And 2:30. Thursday, 8:30 news. Friday, nothing. Next week, Monday, Tuesday news, 10 AM. Wednesday news, Thursday news. Okay, next week looks pretty good. I like next week. Oh, fuck, I'm tired today. Let's watch the rain as it's falling down. No, this is pissing me off. Hold on. Sweet. Alright. So hopefully we come down and fill this 15-minute Fair Valley gap. Here. Or take Southside here. Then what we'll need is some sort of SMT. And then we'll go for news highs and these relative equal highs up here. On the daily. really all we're looking for right now. There's not much else to do. 9:30 open in 2 minutes. Let's look at the 1 minute. Which is 8:30. So we could come down, sweep this into here. Or come down, take this out, and continue higher. Who knows? Can I change my title from here? So let's put that in the title. Contract rollover month. Save. Cool. So there's 9:30 open. Do we have? We do have an opening range gap. A fat opening range gap. So I want to just mark out our opening range gap there. Change the colour of this to a bit darker than that. There we go. Big arse opening range gap. So 70% of the time we do come down and tap the centre of this opening range gap. Not my words, ICT's words himself. And then, so hopefully we take out the sell side, tap into the 50%, and then we can look for some longs up here. Day before FOMC, and it's contract rollover month, so we've got to be careful. So we'll be de-risking today, and not taking any stupid trades. So we're going to take out the news highs. Obviously won't be looking for longs now, because we haven't taken any sell side liquidity yet. So we want to see some sort of sell side get taken before we look for longs. So there's news highs taken. reasoning for longs is just based on the daily. You know, in the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, in the last 7 days we've had one down close candle and it wasn't even a strong one, it was just filling an imbalance. So that's why I say we go for these relative equal highs today. And that's why I say I only take longs. So that's my reasoning behind that. So initially we're just waiting for this, for us to get into the 950 to 1010 macro, which is where we'll look to enter our longs if it gives us an entry. But look, we've taken news highs. There's a little stop right there. If you go into the 1 minute, fair value gap. Inverse fair value gap. Sell side, minus sell side, minus sell side. And we've got a major sell side down here with an imbalance. So that is what we are looking at today. Which it looks like we might come down into this now. I'll just mark this here, opening range gap, and put that there. That's how we're going to fill this imbalance. Currently filling it. So if you wanted to take a short, you could have shorted here off this stop raid with a news highs inverse fair value gap. You could have entered here, stop at the high of that candle, maybe targeting this imbalance with this sell side. But today we're only taking longs, so drag this all in a bit because this is a bit too wide. I don't know why this is so wide. Drag that into there. There we go. Open range gap. Go to ES. We can do the same with ES. I'm not going to mark the opening range gap out on ES. Just because I don't think it's needed. So do we have an SMT here? Is that low taken? Is that low taken? So no SMT yet. No SMT, no trade. I would like to see us come lower and take out this sell side though, before any continuation higher. Fucking hell, I'm tired. 1 minute SMT so far. Just gonna look at higher time frames for a minute. Filled that, filled that. London loader down here. So we had Asia accumulation, London straight up. Yeah, London loader all the way down here. Still in this accumulation. So unless we see some sort of major buy side get taken, sell side get taken, probably won't be entering a trade. This is the sell side we want to see get taken. I need to update my reminder. For contract rollover month. So every 3 months, there is a contract rollover where the contract train changes. Obviously now it's just switched to December's contract. The last contract we were in was September contract. So every 3 months on the first Monday of the second week of the month, I think, or the third week. Let me actually check. Huh. I think it's the first Monday of the second week of the month that the contract changes. So there's a lot more volume in this contract. And also do normally perform better in the last 3 months of the year. This is like my peak performance if I look back on old data. The last 3 months of the year. so it should be a good month. Price is probably going to chop about for a bit. There's no clean. There's no clean price going on right now. Don't really feel safe going into a trade. Just marking up my macros. 10. Mark that out. I'll go dark blue. And then this is just marking out the start of every macro in the next hour. Macro 1, 2, and 3. I think I'm just watching a 5 minute. 1 minute just looks shit. So ES is definitely looking a bit stronger compared to NQ. In the 1 minute, we just got this fair value gap. Not really interested in this sort of price action. It's just chopping about. You know, it's not really giving any sort of entry patterns. So yeah, I want to pull back before we go long. Coming into the 950 macro in 2 minutes. So here we go. Hopefully we can come down to these lows now. Take out this sell side, create some sort of SMT divergence, inversion fair value gap, go for the highs. Oh fuck, didn't mean to move that. Yeah, ES is looking stronger. Right, well there's your sell side. Nice, cool. Hasn't taken sell side yet. ES definitely looking stronger. So we're gonna put ES on here. We'll put NQ on here. Here's NQ taking the lows. ES hasn't taken it, so there's SMT. SMT NQ. Put that in the middle center. SMT NQ. There we go. There's your 1 minute, 1 minute. Lows taken out. 50% didn't get tapped. Minus sell side, fair value gap. Got SMT, NQ took the low. Now what we want to look for is some sort of inversion. So an inversion here. Let's go to the 3 minute actually. Here's a 3 minute fair value gap. So some sort of inversion. Let's go here, hold on. Let's go to the daily actually now. Yep, so there's our relative equal highs, daily fair value gap. Relative equal highs here. And we are inside of our macro as well. NQ still going lower, ES sort of holding. Digging below them lows yet again. ES is holding strong. So I will definitely be long in ES. Broken out of this range as well. 15 minute. So let's see how this 15 minute closes. Yeah, completely running them lows into that opening range gap. Whereas ES is holding it nicely. Cool. Cool. There's NQ. We got any more major sell side? Got a fair value gap in here. actually a refugee that we've now tapped into. ES at the lows now. Yes, fair value go down here. So I'm going to get rid of this because it's just going to clean up my chart a bit. Get rid of that. Get rid of that sell side because that's now been taken. Same as on here. Get rid of that. We have no more SMT there. Get rid of that. So NQ and ES both taking the lows now. Now we want to look for some sort of SMT divergence. Any sort of SMT yet? No, but NQ looking strong. Do have bearish SMT here. Still respecting his fair value gap. There's your SMT. 1 minute SMT can be a bit all over the place though. Gonna draw this fair value gap out. Remove this one. Oh, there you go. Fuck. Just gonna mark out these macro times. There we go. That's a yes. No, thank you. Yeah, so we've got SMT here. Bang, and then SMT there. There you go. So I'll be looking for longs on NQ. The longs will be based off of an inversion. Like so. See if we end up inverting that. One contract 400, sweet. So there's our SMT within the macro. Let's invert this. Where we have 3 PD arrays fails, okay. There, inversion, break of structure, and then we'll have another inversion here, so that should indicate going higher. If we do invert it. get an inversion here. Targeting that high. Market, we'll buy 8, 9, 6, perfect. There you go, it's inversion. And there's our order. Stop at the low, targeting the high on NQ. There's our SMT. Let me mark the SMT out. That's our SMT. Within the 950 till 1010 macro. Make that black. We can take a partial here. So limit of 3. There. So partial. I'll change that to 3. Go to sell. Stop. 3. Also got this little fair value gap here, which would I call that an inversion? I don't know. I mean, technically it has inverted it, because it is out. But you do want to see a clean breakthrough. Let's mark. Okay. No, stop can stay there. That's fine. Delete that. So there's, oh god, ES, actually ES just went up. Damn, NQ's holding back. Should have long DS there. ES went for a flyer. Look at that. So hopefully ES drags NQ up now. Damn, look at that. ES flying. NQ just holding back. NQ should just follow suit though. So when we hit this, we'll go stop just below this low here. There you go, there's TP1. Stops to there. Get rid of that. And then TP2. Let me zoom out quick. Yeah, we'll change that to 2 and then we'll hold like 1 contract for a runner up here. Let me zoom out. Where can we look for? This high maybe? These relatively equal highs here. We'll just hold 1 for a runner all the way up here. What would be a sell limit? Sell limit of 1. There. There you go. Or 1 for a runner. yeah, whenever you take partials, you want to just move your stop up. Whether that's, I mean, break even is quite close to price action here, so we could have a little rejection down into this order block. That's why it's here. That's why my stop's below this low. It's below the order block. Yo, Junior. I didn't even realise you messaged. My bad. So there's the order block. What's the ES doing? Yeah. There's the order block. Tapped into. We can run for these eyes, hopefully. And then, I mean, depending on how quick we can try and go up here, might not stream the full run, or I might, and then I'll just update you tomorrow when I stream. But yeah, you can still take read. I mean, it's still quite early. It's only 10:10. We've still got a few more macros. But this will be a 2 cell limit, and then that's my runner. But yeah, should have longed it. ES, like ES is just straight to TP. NQ's falling back a bit. If we close above that, I'll just break even. So if we get a minute close above this, I'll break even to here. Uh, 15-minute. Closes in 2 minutes. So ideally we want to close above the previous candle if we want to continue with bullish price action here. So there's that previous 15-minute candle. Fuck. My bad. Looking good so far. Didn't close above it. We have inverted this. So we've had loads of bearish PD arrays fail. We've had this fair value gap fail, this fair value gap, this fair value gap, all inverted. As well as, you know, coming down sweeping liquidity. So we should just continue bullish price action. Well, there's our stop. Cool, so that's why you have a stop. So get rid of that sell limit. That's probably just filling a higher time frame FVG. Yeah, 5 minute. Get rid of that. So that was a W. Either way. Now if we do want to get back in a trade, we want to see some sort of PD array get tapped into like this. But I'm not looking to hop back into a trade too quick. But yeah, there's that 5 minute. And that 5 minute. Again, on the 1 minute, you want to see SMT. But because because there's not really a target for ES. You have the relative equal highs here. And then we've got, I mean, let's go to a 4 hour. We've got this high. This is probably our next draw here. Right now. No, it's BSL. We could hit that today. Move my little note out of the way. Get rid of that, get rid of that. That's not a bad little runner, so here we sold 3 contracts and we got to this high. Then moved our stop up. So we're in profit on that trade. Now it's whether we want to continue higher or not. This is ES on the 5. I think the only thing with that trade there is this is obviously just a liquidity grab. So I could have had my stop maybe below the 5-minute fair value gap, just to keep me safe, because it just stopped me out. This is probably still going to run to highs, maybe even up here. But yeah, that's the power of taking partials. I mean, if you've got like 2 highs like this, and then another high here, you want to be taking partials just because of stuff like this. Like it's gone up. Obviously I've got my partials, and you can see executions here. So there's no fucking replay. You can go back in the stream. Market's open. It's all live, all of it. It's not live money. I'm on funded, but it's all live. There's no trickery going on here. You know, trade of 8. See, green dot. It's live. It's live. It's all here. It's live. But yeah, you want to be taking partials at these sort of highs. It's unfortunate this candle. We had our stop loss here. Took me out. So we could have had it below the 5-minute. It's bearish SMT. Actually, these equalize. High. 5733.5. Yeah, so these equal highs. But yeah, NQ is definitely weaker. Get rid of that. I think actually, you know what? Since I've been doing this new strategy, Let me go back. This is the first ever trade I've actually entered off an inversion, believe it or not. So obviously we've got this inversion here, and I entered on the pullback. That's the first ever trade I've entered off an inversion. So low. Yeah. But yeah, we should just long DS here. I mean, obviously ES, that there wasn't the SMT here. It was bullish SMT, but NQ was looking stronger, so that's why we entered on NQ. You see it made a higher high, and here it made a lower low. So obviously we didn't see this coming, so it would have been anything before this line is what we saw. So you want to be entering off something that looks more bullish. So that's the reason we did NQ. So we did everything right. We didn't do anything wrong there. But all in all, that was a good trade. So we could get another SMT here. Yeah, so our stop was there. I mean, it's come down. It would have stopped us out. Probably going to stop us out below this 5-minute fair value gap. So, yeah. Having my fair value gap where I had it. There's another SMT here. So, SMT, NQ. Bang. Even if we just measure this. .5, so. So yeah, SMT. And then we've had NQ 5-minute PDRO. Still with highs up here. But yeah, I mean, if we're going to continue higher, you know, maybe even a retracement might be nice. Let me hide all this shit quick. So we're going to create a 15-minute fair value gap here. Just get rid of this macro because that's done. 9:30 open, clean up my chart a bit. 15-minute fair value gap. to low. Then drag that there. Just there. And then we'll also do this. Yeah, I think if we're going to take a trade, we'll just wait to come back into this 15-minute fair value gap. It's like another little accumulation phase we're going through here. So we caught the right move. Maybe we can catch second stage distribution higher. Not really much to talk about. It's quite boring price action right now. Oh, fuck. 15-minute candle closes after this minute. So then hopefully once it closes, come back down to this. And then again we can just, when we come back down, target these highs and target the 0.25 and the 0.5. If we look at daily liquidity, target the 50% of that volume imbalance. Even this one. Where's that a new week opening gap? I don't even know what that is. Volume imbalance, I assume. Yeah, as we tap the 50% of this FEG, could just target the top of that FEG. That seems like a more just a better target. Yeah, there's the top of the F. No. Yeah, there's the top of the FEG. So there you go. Want to see this get filled? Gonna make this a different colour. Probably, yeah, yellow. And from there we can just enter off another inversion up to here. There you go. Right, now we need SMT, which we have on NQ. Obviously ES is the stronger one. That's just, no. 9, 10, 23. 10, 23. Yeah, that is SMT. Tapped into it. Just don't really want to get caught in this chop. What the fuck? Yeah, I don't really want to get caught in this chop. I'm not gonna jump into a trade if I don't need to. Daily time frame. I don't think we're going to go down today anymore. I think we just go up. I think that's a good target for NQ. There you go. Going into that 5-minute fair value gap. There you go. SMT NQ looking stronger at this point. Tapped into that 5-minute again. I'm glad I'm not actually in any sort of trade right now. Yeah, we caught that first phase of distribution there. So I'm glad I'm not in a probably wait till 1050 macro to get an entry. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution higher, hopefully. Okay, let me mark out the SMT here. SMTS bottom. Make the right end red just so you can see that a bit better. Well, there goes your SMT. Fair value gap here. That's a big scary candle. So yeah, glad we took partials here. Glad we had our stop where we did. Should probably trust myself a bit more instead of getting worried, like, because I said I probably should have had my stop below here, but you know, eventually would have stopped out anyway, wouldn't have gone up there. So I think I made the right decision by putting it here, no below the order block. It just came down, took us out here. NQ still respecting that 5-minute fair value gap. Don't have any SMT right now though. Where's 1050? To 1110. It's a high time frame SMT going on. Nah. No high time frame. think I'm going to end stream after this macro. I don't know. Maybe price isn't really nice right now. You know what? We caught one trade today. I think I'm just going to end stream here. It's not. PA is just consolidating essentially. It's not really doing much. Cool. So we caught this trade. I explained the premise of the trade earlier, so you can go back if you're rewatching this. If I do catch a trade later on in the day, I will probably put it in YouTube Shorts or post on Twitter. So follow me on Twitter. And I think that's it for the day, really. There's not much else going on. If it was better price action, I'd stay streaming, but it's not really looking good. So, right. So I'll most likely be live tomorrow at 9 AM EST, New York time. And yeah, I will see everyone then. Stay safe.